Welcome in class of ratio and proportion. We are talking on partnership. In this video, we will see some advanced concept of partnership by an example. If A, B and C started a business and their investment is in ratio 2/5, 2/3 and 1/2, A increases its capital by 25% after 4 months, and after 2 months of it, B increases its capital in ratio of 2:3, and after 3 months of it, C withdraws 2/5 of its capital. In what ratio they will share profit at end of the year? Solution. Here ratio of investment is given, that is 2/5, 2/3 and 1/2, which is not proper. Always remember, if you are given ratio in this format, then make it proper by taking LCM of denominator and multiply it whole in ratio which is given. But in this case you can see 5 is not divisible with 3 and 2. So to find A ratio, B ratio, C becomes simple. To find ratio for A, multiply denominator of B and C and multiply it in numerator of A. So 3 into 2 is 6 and 6 2s are 12. Similarly, for finding ratio of B, multiply denominator of B, denominator of A and C and multiply numerator of B. So 5 2s are 10 and 10 2s are 20. This will be ratio for B. And for finding ratio of C, we need to multiply denominator of A and denominator of B and multiply it in numerator of C. So 5 3s are 15 into 1 is nothing but 15. Hence we will have A ratio, B ratio, C is equal to 12 ratio 20 ratio 15. Now we have the ratio of investment. A ratio, B ratio, C is 12 ratio 20 ratio 15 in proper way. Question says that A increases its capital by 25% after 4 months. Now firstly just ignore this 25% and focus on time. A increases its capital after 4 months, mean initially he has worked for 4 months. So multiply ratio by 4. And after 2 months of it, means after 2 months of B, so it will be 6. So multiply in ratio of B by 6. And after 3 months of it, means after 3 months of B, so multiply in ratio of C by 9, because 6 plus 3 is 9. Now what C has done, after 3 months of it, 2/5 of its capital is withdrawn. So since 2/5 of capital of C, it means 2/5 into 15, which is 6, and 6 is withdrawn from it, so capital will be 15 minus 6 is equal to 9. Now what B has done, B increases its capital in ratio of 2:3. B increases. It means 2:3 shows initial and final condition of investment of B. Thus 1 ratio is equal to 20/2, which is equal to 10. Thus initially it is ratio 2 and finally it is 3, and value of 1 ratio is 10. Hence its increase in capital will be 3 into 10 is equal to 30. And what A has done, A has increased 25% of its capital. So 25% of 12 is 3 and 12 plus 3 will be 15. So for A, increased in capital will become 15. So adding this will have 15, 30 and 9 for A, B and C. Now what we are asked, what is the ratio they will share profit? What is the profit ratio they will share at the end of the year? So they have worked for 1 year and we have taken 4 months already. So for A, it will work with 15 for 8 months and for B it will work for 6 months more, and for C it will work for 3 months more, and finally we will have 12 into 4 plus 15 into 8 ratio to 20 into 6 plus 30 into 6 ratio to 15 into 9 plus 9 into 3, and on solving this we will have 28 ratio 50 ratio 27, and this will be our answer.